Welcome back to Rome Tech. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. Today, we're diving into OneMain Financial and their personal loan offerings. OneMain is a lending company that focuses on providing personal loans to individuals, even those with less than perfect credit. Their website, at onemainfinancial.com, is a comprehensive resource for understanding their loan products and services. OneMain Financial offers a range of loan options designed to meet a variety of financial needs. Whether you're looking to consolidate debt, cover unexpected expenses, or finance a home improvement project, OneMain could have a solution for you. They understand that life throws curveballs, and they aim to provide accessible lending solutions to help people navigate those challenges. What sets OneMain apart is their commitment to personalized service. They encourage potential borrowers to connect with a loan specialist to discuss their individual circumstances and financial goals. This personalized approach allows OneMain to tailor loan options to best suit each borrower's specific needs and budget. This can be a significant advantage over online-only lenders that may offer a less personalized experience. OneMain emphasizes the importance of responsible borrowing. They provide resources and tools on their website to help borrowers understand the terms and conditions of their loans, including interest rates, repayment schedules, and any associated fees. This transparency is crucial for making informed financial decisions and avoiding potential pitfalls. Navigating the world of personal loans can be complex, and OneMain aims to simplify the process. Their website offers a wealth of information, from FAQs to loan calculators, to empower borrowers with the knowledge they need to make sound financial choices. Furthermore, they offer a secure online application process, making it convenient for potential borrowers to apply from the comfort of their homes. OneMain Financial is committed to helping individuals achieve their financial objectives, regardless of their credit history. Their focus on personalized service, coupled with their commitment to responsible lending practices, makes them a viable option for those seeking a personal loan. Visit onemainfinancial.com today to learn more and see if OneMain Financial is the right fit for you. Remember to check out the resources available on their site to fully understand the loan process and make informed decisions. And as always, thank you for watching Rome Tech.